Good morning. Here I am going to discuss the topic mainstreaming of education. We know that mainstreaming and inclusion are the concepts that are used in education and especially education for students with disabilities. It was in 1975 that Congress passed a law that required that all students should get the education at least in a restrictive environment. This law was in essence a law meant for the education of disabled students. Mainstreaming is a concept that evolved out of this law, with inclusion being a rather new concept to achieve the same purpose of education for students with special education needs. When going into the deep sense, we can say that mainstreaming in the context of education is the practice of educating students with special needs in regular classes during specific time periods based on their skills. This means regular education classes are combined with special education classes. Mainstreaming does not involve putting a child full time in a special school. And also, mainstreaming does not involve placing a child full time in a regular classroom. Here, a student who spends the entire day in a regular classroom with no disabled peers is considered fully included. Most students with mild levels of disabilities such as dyslexia or attention deficit disorder or with non-cognitive disabilities such as diabetes are fully included. Mainstreaming does not involve teaching the child outside the school. Mainstreaming can be done in three different ways. First one is integrated education. Second one is inclusive education. Third one is exclusive education or segregated education. Thank you.